Shehzad Maroof, West Yorkshire. I read somewhere that you had met Sheikh Nazim and that Sheikh Nazim had also said that Gohar Shahi is Imam Mahdi. Please, could you kindly reveal what happened? Well, Sarkar sent me to see Sheikh Nazim Al-Haqqani. Sheikh Nazim Al-Haqqani, rahmatullah alayh, is from Cyprus, Nicosia, the Turkish side of Cyprus. And Sheikh Nazim Al-Haqqani would visit London very frequently. And they had their center somewhere in North London on Seven Sisters Road. So Sarkar sent me to see Sheikh Nazim. And Sarkar conveyed through me a message. And I delivered the message to Sheikh Nazim in private. And I said to Sheikh Nazim that there is a message from His Holiness Sarkar Gohar Shahi that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Sarkar will visit you in your dream and will tell you about the latest signs of God. So I conveyed the message to Sheikh Nazim. And he said, okay. I didn't say anything else. I came back. And then after some time, Sarkar sent me again to ask him what happened. And in my next visit, when I went to see him, we sat together and he was holding his staff and he smashed it on the ground and said, Gohar Shah, Imam Mahdi, on the moon. The Prophet said, look at the moon. And the Prophet said, this is Gohar Shah. So this is what he said there and then. And I came back. I don't know whether Sheikh Nazim Al-Haqqani shared this information with others or he didn't. I'm not sure. But this is what he said there and then. And then Sheikh Hisham Al-Kibani, who is Lebanese descent, and he lives in United States of America now. He used to live in Los Angeles, but now he moved to Michigan. So now he lives in Michigan. So he also visited Sarkar Gohar Shahi. And there is a picture. He is sitting at the feet of Sarkar Gohar Shahi, and Sarkar Gohar Shahi granted him Izn Zikr Qalb. This picture. Sarkar is granting him Ism Zat Allah. His name is Sheikh Hisham Kibani. And he is married to Sheikh Nazim's daughter. So Sheikh Hisham is son-in-law of Sheikh Nazim.
TV, bringing light, love, and peace in your life.